In a bold move highlighting civic dissatisfaction, residents of KB Hosahalli situated in Kolar Taluk chose to abstain from participating in the electoral process scheduled for April 26. The decision to boycott the voting exercise was spurred by the glaring absence of essential infrastructure, particularly roads within the village. Despite being a crucial electoral constituency, the lack of basic amenities has evidently reached a tipping point for the residents of KB Hosahalli. Notably, the decision to forgo voting was not merely symbolic, it was a deliberate choice made without engaging in formal procedures such as obtaining agent forms. With JDS candidate M. Mallesh Babu and INC's KB Gowtham in the running, the electoral landscape remains charged with anticipation. However, the resonating call for basic amenities echoes louder than the political campaigns demanding swift action and accountability from elected officials.